Hi guys, Tony from GME here. Today we're going to run you through the pairing process to pair your XRS Connect radio with your smart device. This is something we get asked all the time. Once you know how to do it, it's a really simple process. So start by turning on your XRS radio. The blue button on the front of the microphone is the power button. Press and hold it and the radio will turn on. You'll see the Bluetooth logo at the top of the screen. That is turned on by default from factory, so you shouldn't need to go into the menu settings to turn Bluetooth on. We've got two smartphone applications for XRS Connect. One of them is called the XRS Connect app, and the other one is called XRS Connect Location Services. Today we're going to be focusing on the XRS Connect app, which is the app that you use to set up your radio, change your basic settings, and create scan lists. So, on your smartphone, you will have already needed to download the XRS Connect app from the App Store. Open up the XRS Connect app on your smartphone, and you'll see the main menu. Jump into Radios, which is the first menu option, and the app will search for radios. Now, if you've previously paired an XRS, it will come up in the list here. So you can see on mine, I've got a couple of radios that I've previously paired. If you haven't paired your radio previously, you'll need to press the plus sign. If you don't see your radio immediately, you can swipe down to refresh the list, but the app will show you that it is searching for radios at the top, and then it will appear with the model number followed by the serial number. The app will then show you a list of available radios. Now, as we're in the GME headquarters, there's a few XRS radios within range. The way that you'll be able to tell which radio is yours, if there's more than one radio in range, is by the serial number. The serial number can be found on the back of the main unit of the radio. I know with this radio that we're trying to pair that it ends in 0095, so I'll click that one and the app will start to pair with the radio. You'll hear your radio make two short beeps to confirm that the radio has paired, and the Bluetooth logo will have some square brackets around it, which is showing you have an active pairing connection to the radio. And that's it. Now you're ready to start changing your settings and getting your radio set up just the way you like it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be doing a series of videos on XRS and how to get the most out of all the functionality in these radios. So if there's something in particular that you really want to see, leave a comment below and we'll make sure that we cover it in a future video.